So the Honda Stream just died because of this quarantine, and I decided to I tried to jumpstart it, and it wouldn't jumpstart. No matter what I'd done, I couldn't do anything with it. The battery completely dead. So I thought I might need a new battery, so I decided I'll just try to charge it up and see what happened with it. So I charged it up, and it looks okay now. And I've checked out the alternator as well. The voltage from the alternator is all perfect there as well. So it seems to be charging as well. So I don't know why it wouldn't jumpstart. Maybe it was just so dead, but I tried it for a while. Like, I left it running for a while to try to jumpstart it. But anyway, it doesn't matter. It's sorted. It's working. Yeah, this quarantine is... It's hard to do anything with this quarantine. We can't get any parts. You can't do any videos because we don't have anything to do videos on, because we don't have any parts or nothing like that. I might try to do something different instead of making a video about a car, because, you know, there's nothing else I can do. Yeah, so I don't know what I'm going to do in today's video. You're about to see. Bye bye. I have these little drill bit things. I got loads of different style. Here, I'll show you them. I got loads of different styled ones. I got a box of them off Wish, as you know. I got them off Wish anyway, and there's a bunch of different ones in it. You can see them there. There's a bunch of different ones you get in it, and basically there's different softness. There's softer ones, and then there's harder ones. They're a little bit harder. But anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a quick little polish on the headlights. There's not much else I can do. The headlights have to be taken apart and sanded, and in the inside of them and all is all hazy. But there's not much I can do about that. So I'm just going to freshen them up. That's all, because they're really yellow. Also today it's very windy out, so I'll try film a little bit out in the wind, but you probably won't hear a lot of it. So it's literally just gonna be done. That's it. It's not gonna be much of a video at all. But sure, it might keep you entertained. I don't know. It might. You know, just watch it. Okay, bye. Okay, these are the headlights. As you can see, they're really dull. They're really dull. So I'm just gonna take a quick snapshot of this before and after, and we'll see what the difference is, just with a little bit of polish. This is a G3 regular grade paste compound, and all I'm going to do is just put a couple of little dabs in this. There's a couple of little dabs around it, and that's all we need really. And let's just start on the headlight. Right, so you can see the dirt that's been taken off already, all that oxidation. So a little bit more on this. You can see that part there is all inside the headlight. I have to take the headlight out and you know, I'll crack it open and sand on the inside, but I really don't want to do that. And then I have to get into this corner here, which is very hard to do, but we'll try. Right, that part there is very hard to get in at because there's not much space. These headlights on the Honda Streams, I think the Honda Civic ones are pretty much the same as well. They have this sort of like little bulge here. And even just to wrap these headlights is very awkward because of this bulge. It's very strange, but anyway, like I said, the whole headlight has come out and has to be broken open and polished inside here as well to get that off. This has they have little fillers in it, like little silicone fillers, and they sort of any imperfections or dimpled surfaces, this will fill it in. But eventually, after time, it wears away you know, it washes away, and then the headlight starts to go the same way again. It's the same on the paint. The little fillers that are in it, the little silicone fillers that are inside of it, they fill in all the little gaps for a certain amount of time, and then, or you wash your car, or in weather, whatever, it starts to wear away again. Yeah, I have to change this drill attachment. This is only for the heavier compound. You have to change it every time you change your compound. So that one's off, and it's a softer one here. It's hard to explain how, you can't explain how soft things are over the camera, but it's softer anyway. Dry it all off and see what it looks like. Yes, the car needs a good polish as well, but I'm not going to go and polish in the car with that. It's too small. Even some crack marks here, you can see kind of, there's like crack marks, and they're all in the inside. There's nothing I can do about that, unless I just take the whole headlight out, as I said a million times. But yeah, it is what it is. It's better than nothing. I ran out of battery, so I just had to finish off by hand with the super resin polish. But anyway, these little pads are brilliant. Get them, just for little jobs like that, just for little sort of like polish jobs that you know, you just don't want to use your hand for the little small areas. Like in the summer, your lacquer and your paint gets very sort of sticky, and it absorbs things. So you could, it can absorb handprints and stuff in the summer. So if you get these, you can polish out those handprints fairly easy. But like for the headlights like that as well, they're grand just to freshen the headlights up. That's not a permanent fix on the headlights. The headlights definitely need to be ripped apart and sanded everywhere. But I don't want to do it, and the reason is because I don't know if I'm going to keep the car, because I'm not really that interested in it anymore. I like the car, I still love it. When I look at it, I go, oh my god, yeah. When you get closer to it, there's a lot of problems. Wax covers a lot of the problems that I have, and right, the paint is in crap. It's in shit. It is. The paint needs to be completely repainted, the whole car, or wrap the car. But there's still a few little dents and stuff that I'd have to take out before I wrap the car. And I don't want to waste money on taking dents out and wrapping the car when the whole car itself is only worth about maybe $2,000. So there's no real point in doing it. I don't really want to waste money on the car to do that. Even the front bonnet, you can see it there in when I'm doing the headlights, you can see it. The bonnet is riddled with stone chips, riddled with them. Black paint is terrible for that. The car needs to, like, there's swirl marks and stuff like that. I need to buff the whole car out. I need to fix a lot of the paint issues on it. The front bumper, some of the paint is peeling away in the front bumper. The headlights have to be taken out. I just replaced the drive shaft there recently, and even that is clicking now. So, and then there's the steering rack, has a click in it, and then it's also not the model that I really want. I want rear brake discs, and I'm not going taking off the rear axle off of a RSZ just to put it onto me Honda Stream X model. What's the point in all that? It's just way too much money to be put into the car. So I'm just going to drive it the way it is. I'll polish it up a little bit here and there. I might even buy a polisher because I want a polisher, but we'll see. Anyway, waxing it just takes away all them issues. You don't really see anything, you know. There's a few little things that I'll show you around the car eventually, but I'm not doing it now, and not this video. It's I'm in a quarantine and I have to come up with videos. So maybe my next video is going to be the state of my car. That's what the title is going to be. Look at the state of my car. No, anyway, that's rubbish. Anyway, yeah. So get them things because they're good. Like you get a bag of them, right? Now, okay, they're different textures. Ah, don't fall on the floor. No, they're all dirty now. Anyway, there's different textures, like different softness. The black ones are really soft. The orange ones are a little bit harder. The white ones, the green ones are soft as well. The white ones are really hard. Anyway, get them. Just get them. They'll do you for little jobs like this. Just get them. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye.